Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make citrus vinaigrette. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need fresh citrus juice, about 1/4 cup from lemons or oranges. Also, have on hand a good quality extra virgin olive oil, approximately 1/2 cup. Don't forget a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, plus salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. These basic components are key to a delicious dressing. Now, let's start building our vinaigrette. In a small bowl, combine your fresh citrus juice with a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Add a pinch of salt and a few grinds of fresh black pepper. Whisk these ingredients together vigorously until they are well combined and the mustard is fully incorporated. This creates the flavorful base for your dressing, ensuring a balanced taste. Next, we'll emulsify the dressing to achieve that perfect creamy texture. While continuously whisking, slowly drizzle in the 1/2 cup of olive oil. It's crucial to add the oil in a very thin, steady stream. This gradual addition, combined with constant whisking, helps the oil and citrus juice combine beautifully, creating a smooth, cohesive vinaigrette that won't separate easily. Finally, it's time for the most important step, tasting and adjusting. Give your vinaigrette a taste and see if it needs more salt, pepper, or a little extra citrus zing. Once perfected, transfer your delicious homemade dressing to an airtight container. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Give it a quick shake before each use and enjoy your fresh citrus vinaigrette.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.